Nigga, we ain't about to trip. I got 2 slices left in this hoe.
What?
We about to motherfucking
go.
Outside and smoke
What?
little
Yeah.
herb. Oh shit. What the fuck is that? I don't know what the fuck I just said.
Yeah.
Nigga, get down and give my ass some head. After this, we swinging in this hoe.
Yeah.
Then walk your ass out that motherfucking door.
Say what?
I don't like to love these hoes. I just tell they ass you got
to go.
Cause I got another nigga coming. And he keeps these juices
flowing.
I just said freestyle queen.
Freestyle queen.
Yeah. Fuck queen. We about to get this bitch poppin'.
What?
We
freestyle
are
queen.
not Mary fucking
poppin'. Oh, that's it. It's done for the night.
I never did this motherfucking good. That's cause my sack is from our fucking hood. We just did this motherfucking thing. I said that shit. The doorbell rang. And some swanger coming to fly.
Drizzy's wife on the beat hard. Marinating that hoe.
I just did that on the beat.
Can we go blow now?
Vontae is ready to
motherfucking blow.
So
let's
we bow
to
hit motherfucking blow. In this bitch.
Yeah.
Right now. Let's go. Please bow down.
Say what?
In this bitch.
Yeah.
You already know.
Yeah.
Fuck the mother hoe.
Yeah.
Ass get the flow. We about to beat that bitch.
Yeah.
Her name is Shayana.
Baby K. Baby K. Introduce yourself. Who are you?
My name is Stax. J Stax.
And who are you, sweetie? Jazz Stax? Legendary? Kid Cudi's wife, Stax. That's Drizzy's wife. Kid Cudi's wife. Y'all know me, Nicki Minaj. Crunch and Munch. This is how we do it. Stax, Snack. Deja, where you at? Drizzy wife. Let's go.